Hello, educators. Our team has created Unboxing Scientists of the World with Professor Smart. It is an engaging educational series that includes 55 short videos of scientists from around the world. Unboxing Scientists of the World makes science and scientists accessible and lets students see them as role models. This series contains concise information and inspirational messages. The scientists include 21 women and 34 men. 14 of the scientists are people of color. The video series is directed at students in the 4th through 8th grades, although students of all ages will enjoy it. Each episode is 4 to 6 minutes long. This series of 55 videos is supported by 1. A unique, interactive, printable, on-the-wall timeline that spans centuries. 2. Printable trading cards of the scientists. And 3. Teacher support materials with doable post-show activities for your students aligned with the next generation science and Common Core standards. I am Todd Victor. Since 1999, I have performed as the character Professor Smart, doing live science shows all over the United States for hundreds of thousands of students at schools, theaters, and fairs. This video series and support materials have been developed by our awesome team of educators, researchers, writers, and fact checkers. Unboxing Scientists of the World comes in economic packages for school districts, schools, and single classrooms. If you're the parent of a science-minded kid, or if you are homeschooling your children, we have a package for you too. Today, right now, you can view 3 free episodes of Unboxing Scientists of the World. After seeing these 3 free episodes, you'll want to order the complete series. That's 55 scientist videos to share with your students. Here's your chance to augment your STEM toolbox. This series will make your teaching even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.